In today's video we will see how to fix the whoop not connecting to phone and green sensor light not showing, Bluetooth and troubleshooting guide. So the fixed one, charge the whoop sensor. Attach the battery pack for charger securely to your whoop. Leave it charging for at least 15 to 30 minutes. If the sensor still showing no green LED, try a different USB-C cable, power adapter or wall outlet. Then remove the charger and check whether the green sensor light appear. Fix 2. Restart Bluetooth and remove old pairing. Turn the Bluetooth off and back on. Then open your phone Bluetooth setting. Then remove or forget any existing Whoop devices. Then completely power off your phone for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Fix 3. Put the Whoop into pairing mode. So remove the Whoop from your wrist. Wait until the green LED underneath the sensor turn off. Then hold the sensor by its side and firmly tap the top of the sensor several times until the side LED flashes blue, indicating pairing mode. The fix 4. Pair the sensor again. Open the Whoop app, then go to More or Menu, then Device Setting, then Advanced. Now tap Pair a device. Select your Whoop sensor when it appears and complete the pairing process. The fix 5. Try a sensor reset. If the sensor still does not respond, remove the charger from the Whoop. Repeatedly tap the top of the sensor until the side LED flashes blue. If no LED appear, place the charger back on the device and allow it to charge longer before trying again. The fix 6. Contact Whoop support. If the sensor never shows green or blue light, even after charging and resetting, the hardware or battery pack may have failed. Whoop recommends contacting Whoop support for further diagnosis or a replacement if the device remains unresponsive. Goodbye and thanks for watching.